Alright, we got a little package in the mail today. Well, I say mail, but it was actually FedEx. But I'm pretty excited about this. Came from Cabela's. Oh, there we are. Look at that. The HMG by Fenwick. Little bag. What's in this little carry bag? Besides a little zip tie to hold this together. Alright, here we go. This is the spinning reel version of the Fenwick HMG Travel Rod. So, section number 1. Section number 2. And sections number 3 and 4. See, when you get this rod, it comes in two different settings. We got two different tips depending if you want, I believe, medium and medium fast. So that's just the documentation. And let's see, medium light fast, 1/8 to 5/8 ounce lures, 6 to 12 pound line, or medium fast, 1/4 to 3/4 ounce lures, 8 to 14 pound line. So there you go. This is what you get when you unbox the travel Fenwick HMG fishing rod. I also want to point out that this case inside, it's got a nice rigid, I would say almost like a skeletal structure inside there. So very hard, except for this part, which is soft. So it also has a single carrying handle there, and then an adjustable shoulder strap here. So alright, so what we're looking at here is one of my other HMG fishing rods by Fenwick. This one's got the carbon fiber look to it. This is a one-piece 6-foot rod. And as you can see, it's sporting my Penn Fierce 3 size 2500 reel. I'm particularly fond of Penn reels. And the plan is, for now, to take the Penn reel off of this rod and put it onto the new travel rod. The new travel rod is 7 feet long, I believe. And when you want to travel with it, I haven't even taken the time to string this one up. So let's kind of loosen the handle a little bit. And then when you want to travel with it, you grab the bag, put everything in the bag. Oh, we're hanging up on some stuff there. zip it up, and away you go. You might even be able to tuck some crankbaits or some lures in a little box or something in here. When you get to your fishing hole, pull it out. Grab your tip of choice. The one I happen to grab right now here is the medium. And run your line, put on your bait, and get to fishing. So, there we go. Thanks again for watching.